Tired of bland backgrounds ruining your perfect photos? Let Leonardo AI breathe new life into them. Start by navigating to Leonardo AI and selecting the intuitive AI Canvas tool. This is your gateway to transformative photo editing. Upload your image. The next crucial step is to precisely isolate your main subject. Leonardo AI's powerful masking features make this a breeze. Carefully trace the outline of your subject. Don't aim for absolute perfection just yet. Think of this as sketching the essential form. Refine those edges with precision. Leonardo AI offers tools to expertly smooth out your mask, ensuring a clean separation between your subject and their original setting. With your subject perfectly masked, it's time to craft an entirely new environment. Within the AI canvas, you'll find a dedicated section for generating new backgrounds. Describe the scene you imagine. The more descriptive your prompt, the more accurately Leonardo AI can fulfill your vision. For instance, try a vibrant, sun-drenched tropical beach. Leonardo AI will then present you with a selection of generated backgrounds. Browse through these options and choose the one that best complements your subject and your artistic intent. Once you've found your ideal backdrop, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas, positioning it seamlessly behind your isolated subject. Now, let's integrate them. Fine-tune the size and placement of both your subject and the new background to create a visually appealing and cohesive scene. For an added layer of realism, utilize the adjustment tools to subtly harmonize the lighting and colors between your subject and their new surroundings. This makes the final image appear authentic. Voila! In just a few simple steps, you've completely revolutionized your image's backdrop, infusing your visuals with newfound dynamism. Happy creating!